I'm going to explain the 4 phases of learning. So the next time you find yourself stuck in front of a spreadsheet, a page in a book or article, or the latest findings in your field of study, you can pay a little more attention to how the information gets downloaded in your brain. There are several different phases that an individual has to go through. Each phase plays a critical role in shaping the individual's overall learning experience. So let's dive deep into this. The first phase of learning is the acquisition phase. This phase involves the acquisition of the new knowledge or skills. The individual is introduced to new concepts, ideas, and skills. This must be learned through trial and error as the individual tries to understand new material. The second phase of learning is the practice phase. The practice phase involves practicing the newly acquired knowledge or skills. Example, driving a car. The consolidation phase is the third phase. The integration of the newly acquired knowledge or skills into the individual's existing knowledge or skills. So continuing with the learning phase to driving, this would be the phase that you would learn to drive backwards, or you would learn how to park. In this phase, you move away from just the basics of concepts and add some gestures of driving with a few more complicated maneuvers. So the consolidation phase is important because it helps the individual create a strong foundation for future learning. It also helps the individual apply the newly acquired knowledge or skills in real life situations. The fourth phase of learning is the transfer phase. During this phase, the individual applies newly acquired knowledge or skills and situations to real life circumstances. This is the state in which you practice driving after you learn, you have your driver's license and you're doing day-by-day driving, facing different situations every single time, and you learn how to adapt and change approaches and how to build up your trust in yourself. So so you learn so much so far, and you also learn to pretty much to develop your own style of driving. You can provide some advice to new drivers. So this is very good and pretty much getting you to be able to build more confidence in what you already know. So I hope this helped.